Cheers and welcome to Bitter Reality Brewing. Yes, there's more kits for the iGulu. I know, you're like, really? If you haven't seen the videos, we've got videos already on Bitter Reality Brewing showing you can do all grain, you can do ciders. There's videos out there doing ginger beer, doing kombucha, all kinds of stuff. And they've got kits coming out for all kinds of stuff. But there's 4 more kits, and I'm here to tell you about the kits. First, if you own an iGulu or you bought it through my little link, thank you. Cheers, appreciate you. Hopefully it got you a great deal. Does toss me a little bit of chump change, but the deal is the better deal, trust me. It is the best deal in town. If you've considered an iGulu, or if you're a big brewer and you just like to experiment, which I know a lot of us love experimenting when we're doing a lot of beer brewing, yeah, trust me, go there, just throw one in your cart. I'm not saying buy it, throw it in your cart. Put Bitter Reality Brewing, all one word. You'll be like, oh my, yeah, it's an amazing deal, I promise you. So let's go over what these kits are, because I know everybody's excited and I'm excited to brew them and try them out. They're packaged different, so I'm kind of wondering if somebody's working with iGulu on this, but it could just be new packaging. I don't know, I didn't ask. So this is the German Pilsner, and I'm showing you this one first because it's probably the one I'm probably the most excited. There's another one I'm pretty excited about too. The German Pilsner is literally saying it's like 5 to 5.5%, but it's 25 to 30 IBU. I love a good hoppy, light hop, bitter, whatever. Yeah, I'm in that area. So yeah, very excited to brew this one. Probably one of my first ones I'm looking to brew. Next one, I'm not gonna give you the other one I'm excited about until the end. We'll leave that for the end. But we have traditional amber ale. I'm assuming traditional amber ale means that it's, you know, more like an American, but it's 4.5 to 5%. It is 20 to 25 IBU, which is pretty nice. I don't know what the hops are in these, I'm sorry. I can tell you for the German Pilsner, for the malt, it's a golden light DME, dry malt extract. For the amber ale, it is a sparkling amber DME, which I've never brewed with, and I'm curious. Although I think I did in the, yeah, I think I did with the amber lager, but I'm not sure. This one's kind of cool. I've never actually brewed this style. It's a German Helles. That's right, German Helles. Uses a Pilsner light DME. It is 5 to 5.5. It's only sitting around 15 to 20 IBU. Keep in mind, hops are a balancing game. And I don't say balance like it always has to balance, but like if it's gonna be a hoppy beer or bitter beer, it's gonna be a little slanted. If it's not, it's gonna be a little bit more like this. If it's gonna be a malty beer, it's gonna be a little more like that. It's a balancing game. Exactly, kind of like teeter, you know, seesaw, whatever that thing is. Never was big on that one. And this is the one I'm really excited about too, beyond that of the German Pilsner. We have an English porter. I've really been craving to brew some English beers, and this is an English porter, sitting at 4.5 to 5%, 20 to 25 IBU. For some of you out there, I know you're like, what's a porter? Okay, if you've ever had a stout, a porter and a stout are kind of interchangeable sometimes, but a porter is usually on the lighter side compared to the stouts. Not always, but usually. So that's something to be aware of. But yes, sometimes the word is interchangeable to a degree. So yeah, it is an English porter. I'm very excited. English usually meaning kind of on the drier side. Sometimes it's just a little bit more aromas and flavors that are slightly different from what you would expect in American beers. But I'm very excited. 4 new kits. We're gonna try those out. We're gonna brew them. We're gonna do taste test, and I'll let you know how it goes. Cheers.